Hi guys, we are Ordinary South African.
Welcome back to another 2-night stay local Durban holiday. And now we're going to do our room tour of the... Where are we staying?
The Hilton Garden Court.
I'm sure it's called Garden Inn.
Is it?
Hilton. We're going to check the name and start the room tour.
I think it's Hilton Garden Inn
That's the one.
Umhlanga. This is the doorway where you enter.
You're kind of entering into the bathroom area here. So that's why it's tiled. So if you walk around to your left, you have your little vanity. Full amenities. Through here would be a toilet. I don't need to show that. Everyone knows what a toilet looks like. And a standard shower. Very standard room. I'm sure the Hilton offers better. King size. Why am I saying king size? That is the open closet. Wardrobe. That is a king size bed. And that's more or less the room, a little seating area. I'm sure that looks like it opens up into something.
It's a sofa bed.
Yes, it is. And on this end, we've got a desk with a coffee station. A little fridge down there with the safe.
Safe here. Fridge.
And we didn't take a sea-facing room.
And that's our view for the weekend.
Umhlanga Arch.
Here's the arch.
Oh, this is Legacy Yard, but the place we're staying in is Umhlanga Arch. When we were doing the room tour, we missed this corner. So this is the closet area, that's the door. There's an ironing board and an iron, which is an unusual thing to find in a Durban hotel. I don't know whether it's a thing now. And that's for your shoes down there.
Good morning everyone, and it's a new morning and we're off to go for breakfast, but we decided not to. So I decided to go down to the breakfast area to get something on the go, and I was surprised by the hotel manager, and this is what she has complimented me with. A big thank you to the management and staff. Ended up getting a bowl of cereal and 2 coffees on the go. I was really chuffed. So guys, this is where we are staying for this weekend. It's a Hilton Garden Inn in Umhlanga. What a beautiful sight. Getting to the Umhlanga Arch. Legacy Yard.
It's day 2, and I have to say I'm very impressed at housekeeping. Everything has been restored back to when we first checked in. Everything has been refreshed. Definitely Hilton quality. So we're having locally made gelato as a snack. And let's check out what we've got. Okay, we're gonna have Belgian waffles with two flavors of ice cream. We've got vanilla, Belgian chocolate, and whipped cream. This was just over $100. Place is Momento Gelati.
Momenti.
Oh, sorry, Momenti Gelato. I said Momento Gelati.
This is a view at Legacy Yard.
Let's go. What are we eating today?
Sushi and beef.
Let's take a look at what we got for supper on our second night. California salmon rolls from Green Mango. And then the main dish is from Wasabi. We wanted something light. What did we get?
This is the mild beef fried noodles.
I can smell the soy and the... Whew. It's time to dig in. So it's our last morning at the Hilton. We're about to check out. Beautiful sunny skies in Umhlanga today. And then ordering us breakfast down there. There he is. Don't know if you can see the wave.
And just there in that open window there on the first floor is the Thank you for watching our video. So please like and subscribe.
Comment below, share the video, and tell us what you'd like to see. Bye!
Bye!